Sit on the floor and stretch your legs. Your legs should be straight in front. Hold the right leg in both the hands, fold the legs slowly and place it on your left thigh. Ensure that your feet should touch your navel. Half lotus is a nice stopping off point on the way to full lotus. Since full lotus can be very hard on the knees, too many yoga students prefer this version, which can be used for seated meditation. Breathing process should be slowly and deeply. Inhale and exhale and focus on your breathing. Do this asana for 2 to 3 minutes in the beginning stage. Once you are used to it, then increase the time by 15 to 30 minutes. Remember one most important thing: don't bend our body or head while doing this asana. This asana helps to preserve vital fluids in the body and prevents abdominal diseases and female disorders connected with the reproductive organs. Doing this asana gives your mind peace, solitude, and longevity to the practitioner. It increases the hungry and helps to relax the body. Close your eyes and sit in Padmasana. Use the right thumb to close the right nostril. Inhale slowly through the left nostril, taking in as much air as you can to fill your lungs. Remove the thumb from your right nostril and exhale. While exhaling, use the middle finger to close your left nostril and inhale with your right nostril. Remove the thumb from the right nostril and exhale. This pranayama helps normalize blood pressure, aids in blood purification, reduce the risk of heart disease, and can also improve sight.